For today's video, we will show you how to send money from Australia to India through Remitly. So let's begin. Now, if you don't have an account yet on Remitly, this is the perfect time to create one. And if you do have, go to your mobile device, open the Remitly app and log in. If you are using the web version, log in using your credentials, and please take note of the conversion rate as of the moment from Australian dollar to Indian rupee if you're planning to send money right now. So here are some fees when regarding to sending money, right? So if you're sending money, this is US not US dollars, it's Australian dollars. If it's below 1,000, the fee is 3.99, and if it's 1,000 or more, it's going to be $0. All right. So they claim that there's no fees on your first transfers with Remitly for new customers only. All right. And these are the reasons why choosing Remitly. So I have a Remitly account, and boy, they are wonderful. Now, of course, they promise to have a guaranteed delivery, secure transactions, global network, and trusted worldwide. They have so many partners for local India banks and remittance, such as SBI, ICICI Bank, Paytm, HDFC, Axis Bank, Punjab National Bank, Canara Bank, and Citibank. Now, this is the basic steps for you to sending money from Australia going to India. If you don't have an account, create an account. This is the perfect time. Use your email address through the website remitly.com, or on your mobile device, go to the App Store for iOS devices or Google Play for Android. Just select the currency. That is the from Australian dollars to Indian rupee, and the amount you want to send and the delivery speed. Now choose how your money is delivered. Is it going to be a local bank or a local remittance? Enter the name and information of the person who will receive the money. Please take note, you have to be careful on writing the name. It must match the legal name that they will be presenting with their verification IDs. And enter your payment information and select confirm transfer to send. Now, if you're asking, how much does it cost to send money with Remitly? For new Remitly customers, when you sign up for Remitly, these are for new customers, you may be eligible to receive a new customer offer on your first transfers. For currently Remitly customers, you're gonna visit the pricing page to be exact, because they change from time to time. And next, select the country you want to send the money, right? And we will display the fees on that. All right. That's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you all in the next video.